In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send customer quotes using PandaDoc. Whether you're new to the platform or looking to streamline your quoting process, these steps will guide you through creating and sending quotes efficiently and effectively. So, let's dive in. First, head over to the PandaDoc website. PandaDoc is a fantastic online tool that allows you to create, approve, track, and e-sign documents up to 40% faster. You'll find it incredibly useful for managing quotes and other business documents. Once you're on the website, look for the login button. If you already have an account, you can simply log in using your credentials. If not, you'll need to sign up. But today we'll proceed, assuming you already have an account set up. After logging in, you will be directed to the PandaDoc homepage. This is your central hub where you can access all the documents you've created, as well as those shared with you. From here, you can manage your entire document workflow. The next step is to select a document. Look through your list of documents and click on the one you wish to use for creating a customer quote. This will open the document in edit mode, allowing you to make necessary changes and additions. Now that your document is open, it's time to locate the Quote Builder. The Quote Builder is an indispensable tool within PandaDoc that simplifies the process of putting together quotes. By clicking on the Quote Builder, you'll enter a dedicated section for customizing quotes. Here you can input details such as item descriptions, quantities, pricing, and any other relevant information that your quote needs to include. This built-in functionality eliminates the usual back and forth, maintaining accuracy and professionalism throughout the quoting process. Once you're satisfied with your quote, review it thoroughly. Ensure all the details are correct and that the pricing reflects any discounts or special offers you wish to include. This is also a good opportunity to check the overall layout and formatting, ensuring your document is not only accurate, but also visually appealing. Finally, after ensuring everything is spot on, it's time to send the quote to your customer. PandaDoc provides multiple options for sharing, including direct email delivery or secure links. When sending the quote, you can opt to include a personalized message, adding a personal touch and increasing engagement with your customer. And that's it. By following these steps, you've successfully created and sent a customer quote using PandaDoc. This efficient process saves time and reduces the potential for errors, allowing you to focus on growing your business. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this walkthrough helpful. Be sure to subscribe for more useful tips and tutorials like this one.